Kumpulan ni fibro jing tip nam ta kubor Laitkam te kidon Tylli post ki balait ka bade Neigrihms kadai bade kontraktual ma tang ni pe jenda kadai bi ka work in interview kumud ba phin late bi direct ka tu kasngi nam ta ka interview kinsa kalijeng ya phi ber kisa pe ki documents ki jong phi work in interview for the following post under ICMR project title development and validation of prediction equation of respiratory impedance of force oscillation post menkong kadai project technician 3 senior lab assistant 1 post number 2 project technician 2 field assistant field worker post Tylli post apply jikane advertisement arfa June kadai interview kadai arf khnai tarik July arjar sau Monday tapi haban late be hakatu ka arf khnai tarik lada fikwa man apply ini post ber lada hidon ka qualification timing physical registration and verification of registered candidate and document kadai khandai hadu postang followed by interview kan long shipo sausan step te kajaka kadai by department of physiology new medical college building director block site second floor mauding diang Neigrihms Shillong te kan don shwa ka registration te kan don online registration must be submitted via the email have submit lengba kan email ID physioneigrihms@gmail.com Pinta send di biodata ke ebro ginon kam bro jong phi ha katu ka email dan interview requirement dan kam submit all bro ki documents ki phi don ki experience ke bro have submit application submission must bring one recent photograph one set of photocopies ke do have done experience certificate phi done te e kita gi eligibility criteria bar ka tulop mat ka operation limit te kanam ta kan number 1 lab assistant kan ta ko post ki diven pass qualification di belong 12 pass in science subject with 2-year diploma in medical laboratory technician mutang balik pulih ya lab technician baik kila benyo ban apply or paramedical worker or related subject and a 1-year diploma in medical laboratory technician plus 1 year of experience in health related research project. A BSc degree is considered equivalent to 3 years of experience. Kibla adab berka BSc degree can consider licensed experience 2 years nursing diploma or BSc and desirable previous experience, knowledge of computer, fluency in local language, habdon kita. Patulop kadai arprajar plus house rent allowance admissible 9% as per ICMR guideline. Take operation made kadai hadu live host name, project coordination, kumta gini responsibility, data entry compilation, hab compile, hab yumta tatarter. Take ibadon ni ketika qualification eligibility criteria kila awan late ketika interview. Karena pada project technician 2 field assistant pada qualification gelong 5 years of experience in data collection given done experience apa data collection from field or community field work or social work from a government institution and 12 intermediate with science subject and BSc social science sociology science shall be treated equivalent to 2 and 3 years experience ibu ada jaga BSc kin shim baik ba kot kom experience ba plan day baik ka ar ne license name experience 12 and intermediate pass 3 years of experience in data collection have done baik ka experience ha data collection tegi bla dan experience tegi la ban apply BSc with 2 years of experience in data collection community field work or social work from government institution willing to work in the field desirable with knowledge of computer application fluency in local language khasi jaintian garo kane mereka tulok kadai R4 fix plus HRA house rent allowance admissible kandai persen kan mau kan kontrak kadai rubenai dan kinsa extend back ketkum ke project lada kanang .com hena extend lada kalakut matnya sakut no tek age limit kane kadai do first name kadai kowe kadai do live post name kini dia have field visit have interview have shim di data have you have record kum tatar dengan try gi badon experience try aktif hi kumno manle kumno ban you gini baro kum ka jingpan ka jongpi this post is will purely contractual for a period each post above till completion of the project hadu ban akut ka project kate ka don baik ka kontrak ndal akut ka project mut kamro akut ke limit ada batai e baro ada batai te itu ki bakwa ban le jamta kane ka interview kila ban lej hakatu kasngi ar khnai tarik July telada kwa executive bakhamne phila ban yo ru na official website na po Neigrihms phila ban lej hang tu phin download yakane kan notification sa page ijinon kambaro pule baha ek bade ban le mata namta kadin interview kade ar khnai July Monday te namta kata ka online registration haban submit lengba kane ka physioneigrihms.rgmit visio neigrihms@gmail.com. Thank you, tip.